Okay, oh jeez. Jeez. Okay. This. Okay, let's go. Looks like everything works. Except me voice. I got distracted. Okay. Okay, I didn't do any. Fuck. That's like 20 okays in the first statement. Yet to say anything useful. Coffee's still out. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Boolean literals. There are a few things in the monkey. What's wrong with the mic? Seems fine. There are a few things in the monkey programming language that we will still need to implement. In our parser and AST, easiest are Boolean literals. In monkey, we can use booleans in place of any other expressions. Expression: true, false, foobar, false. That makes boolean an expression. The value, yeah, it's string. Value is also string. Token and value, which means that we're going to save either true or false in there. Where? Oh, sorry, this is string value. Okay, makes sense. With the AST node defined, we can now add our tests. I'll use my let statement test. Okay, I'll add the test later. The single test, yeah, similar to identifier. Yeah. Okay. The parse boolean method is exactly what you imagine it to be. Or do I imagine it to be. It's an expression, so we would use parse expression. We need to register a prefix and then parse boolean when you encounter a boolean. Oh, but yeah. I don't think we have logical operators. Parse boolean. Oh, my bad. None of that shit. I know. You do have to. Okay, I was right. I thought this was the test. An honest mistake. Not honest, sorry. Silly. The only mildly interesting part about this method is the inlining of the current token. What do you mean? Oh. Which is not really interesting. Okay. Other than that, straightforward. Maybe even boring. In other words, the structure of our parser serves us well. That actually is one of the beauties of Pratt's approach. It's so easy to extend. And boom, tests are green. Okay. Okay. Yeah, booleans seems pretty straightforward. Gonna copy this over. Boolean expression parsing. We only need about 2. True. And false. Okay. Now the question is, what should be expected? The string, true and false? Equal strings, token literal, okay. Yeah. Yeah. True, false. Okay, good. Unexpected prefix. There we go. Parse expression, parse infix, parse prefix, integer, yeah. Oh, hang on. Don't have the type yet. Okay, const boolean. We have token, that is token dot token, then value, which is bool. Then we have a token literal method. Takes a boolean. Oh, yeah. Boolean. And then returns a const UA. A slice of const UA. U8. We return. Oh, hang on, it's gonna take mem.allocator. What should it return? Token literal? Dot literal. Okay. We gotta register expression. Boolean. Boolean. Okay, that's it. Parse boolean. Takes a parser. Can it add a no? st dot expression. Then return st dot expression with a boolean equals ast dot boolean, where token is self dot current token, and then value should be self dot current token equal to true. Always mix up Go and Zig. Oh, sorry. Current token dot literal. Oh, you gotta do some string magic. Can we do mem dot equal? Yep. Const u8, or is it just u8? Yeah, just u8. Then what are we comparing? Self dot current token dot literal, and then true. We need to register equal, not equal, less than, greater. Oops. Oh, what about the precedence? Oh, hang on. Don't think it matters. Can type bool, or is it just bool? True. Yeah, okay, it's true. Parse boolean. Oops. Yeah. True, false. Okay. Okay. Does, oh, hang on, it can add a, because, oh no, it can't add a. Can I just say parser error, even though I can't? Oh, sorry. Oh, hang on. AST 98. Where am I returning that? Oh. Okay, there we go. Boolean parsing. Actually, I just realized. Go to update stream info. Parsing booleans. Well, booleans was too short. What else we gotta do? Okay, I guess we can do if and okay. And if statements. Let me just check it out. Oh yeah, I did. Pretty quick. Okay. There's something else before. Yes. Okay. Boolean. Extending test literal. should check if these return the right value. Oh, okay, maybe I made a mistake. Yeah, I should really check the value. Dot current token dot token type dot true. Oops. Yeah. Current. Okay. Dot token type. Yeah. Yeah, I do want to check values and precedence. Test literal expression. Oh, hang on. Actually, I can just improve my tests. If I make expected value bool, then this can be true. I guess this would have to be any. Is that any? How do you do an any type? Okay, let me check the doc. Primitive types. Okay, use any opaque Hmm. I can test that statement and then, yeah, check value returned. Okay, guess I'll leave this as is, but okay, I'll be right back, just a sec. And after that short break, we are back. Lip fart. Okay, yeah, before I go any further, I realized here too. Mm, do want to do it, but I'm not sure how. How? Makes most sense to test it here. Look at that, 420. Okay, I'll think of it later. So not all problems need to be solved. Excuse me. Parsing. Prefix expressions. That's a good idea, actually. Yeah. Because then, oops, here. I could have a left, right, and operator that's expected. And I can test it using an infix expression test. Yeah, okay, let's try. Test infix. It would take left. What would the type be? Okay, what if we do any opaque left operator can be string? Then right would also be opaque. Would error. And we'll have an expected type, which would be T. Actually, can just this just be T? This too. How do you do genetics in Zig? Yeah. Can I know during compile time what the value is? I think so. Okay. T is type. Never written a compile time. Different data. Oh, okay. Got to change this back. Okay, I gotta fix the REPL, but that's for later. Okay, see if I can make this work. Okay, let me have a look. How did they do it? Okay, so I can just compare. Interesting. I'd also need the infix expression. The pointer to infix expression. Yeah. Try testing dot expect equal. Oh, there isn't any type. What is any type? Any type. I guess what makes it a bit simpler. But it is an expression. It's an integer. Okay. Let's try this. Dot left the value. Interesting. Integer value. Really? I've not used this. Okay, and then should be equal to left. Operator. Oh, come on, go back, please. Okay. Should be equal to operator. Should be right. Don't know about this one. Didn't error, but yeah, okay. Let's try this. Test and fix. Okay, let's do int 64. The infix expression. Check parse let statement. And left expression. Interesting. Hey Tofu, the Lofu. Nice name. Yeah, I am. How are you doing, Tofu the Lofu? What do you mean? How do you know? How do I know what? How do I know that I'm coding? Because I am writing code. I don't know how to answer that question. Was that your question? How do you know that you? Yeah, okay. Okay, there you go. I guess that's the answer then. Why do I like Zig? I'm finding out. I'm trying to find out if I like Zig. I only picked it up maybe last year. So I was I was thinking either do some C or Zig. And I saw like, okay, Zig is this new thing. Let's see if it's any good. And yeah, so I'm still trying to find out why I like Zig, because I would say I'm still quite new to Zig. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have an answer yet. Yeah, I think C was the first language that I learned ever. I did C for maybe 2 years. I like C. Um, yeah. Why do I like C? It is quite simple. You don't need to know a lot to like write it. So far I have to say I do like Zig. As to why, I'm not really sure. Let me think. I'd say I also find it quite easy, and it's a little bit stricter than C, as in the compiler complains a lot, which is quite good, because early on it does help. You said you like Zig too. Why do you like Zig? I haven't used it a lot, but I like the compiler / CLI tool. The language is pretty free compared to something like Rust. Yeah, but I haven't written any Rust, so I don't know. But yeah, I would say, I think I kind of get what you mean by free. You can. I found that I could start writing Zig pretty quickly after I think after a couple of weeks, I felt like, okay, I can write this. But yeah, I don't know if it's the same for Rust, because never written any. But I kind of get what you mean. I think you can get going in Zig relatively quickly. In that sense, I would say it's a lot closer to C. Maybe not as easy, but I would say close enough. But I wasn't very good at C, just so you know. It was in college. Yeah. I think I would say that was the reason I wanted to learn Zig, is to get better at the low level stuff. And I think since I've started writing Zig, I understand programming better. So that's good, I guess. Yeah, same here. I don't have any strong opinions at the moment because I would say, like you, I'm quite early into Zig. What other languages do you write apart from Zig? F sharp. Okay. I think you're the first person I know who's written F sharp. Well, I don't know you, but I heard who does. That's pretty cool. Closure. Never written either of them. Yeah, I think after Zig, after I've gotten like fairly good at Zig, I think I want to do a functional language. Because I've never done any functional programming. Yeah, I would assume. I think there are no silver bullets, right? How come you like functional programming a lot? Like what makes you like it a lot, if I may ask? Okay. 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 So in comparison to object oriented programming. Okay. It's expressive. I guess fair enough. What was the heavy OOP language? C sharp. Okay. Yeah. I don't really like C sharp. I think yeah, no. It's but funnily enough, so I tried learning programming in college. By the end of college, I was like, maybe programming is not for me. So I didn't do any programming for 6 years. And then C sharp, it was a C sharp book that got me back into programming. Yeah, so I guess I do owe that C sharp book something. I think actually I'm okay with C sharp. The reason I might have not liked it is I was doing C sharp, and then at some point someone said you should try .NET, and I just found, and I was still early at that point into programming the second time, and I felt like it was just doing too many things, and I had no idea what was happening. So I switched to JavaScript. It's an int. What is the infix? Oh, actually, if you're still here, you said F sharp. In, like, what do you use it for? Like, for work? You don't have to give me details, but like what field of work? Test. Automated warehouse. Okay. Hey, that sounds cool. So is it embedded stuff? I don't know if that's a stupid question, but I've asked it now. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Interesting. Automated warehouse. That's pretty cool, I have to say. Statement of value dot infix. No, that didn't sound right. I'd have to take an expression. Getting out of hand now. statement is that. Let's statement. And if I do value dot infix, okay, I don't know, that could go wrong. And then this should be expected left and expected operator will be right is another int. I'm gonna just try 2. I can just try 1. Let's type in expected left 5, expected operator is minus, and then expected right is equal to, make it 6. Left right or no, don't think this is gonna work. Okay, I can fix that. What? Oh, interesting. Yeah, it is a tagged union. That is not going to work. Let me check the AST. How can I get the expression in? I'm not sure how to do that. Let me tagged union. Guess I'd have to try another way, or use the switch statement. Actually, I can get the statement, which would be an ast.statement. I guess worth a try. I think I can do statement tagged union. Ooh. Type coercion. Between unions and enums. Const E is 1, 2, 3. U is also 1, 2, 3. But U is a tagged union. So is U2. Ah, interesting. I could try that. Undo. Leave that as infix. Then here, can I do this? Be pointed to ast dot infix expression should be statement dot let statement dot value dot infix expression. this is a different line. B96. Hang on. This should be statement. Let statement. Oh, I can just pass the statement. Okay, it expects a statement. Okay. That's cool. Assertion failure. Program the statements.len 394. Oh yeah, of course. Can I comment out? Okay, that works. Okay, just gotta fix the, oops, this is 6. What? It works? No way. Okay, I don't believe it. What if I did 8? Okay, so it works. Nice. I don't know why I wasn't expected it to work, but I'm quite surprised that it does. Okay, so I can comment that. It is a lot of fucking typing. Oh, I know. I'm gonna ask Chippity to type it for me. Copy this. This is my input. These are my test statements. Can you complete them? Okay. Beautiful. Is it correct? Nice. Let's go. So now think I can do two things here. I can do not. So this way I can test boolean and prefix. Yeah. I'll do test prefix type t type prefix expression, which is going to be an st dot prefix expression. Yep. And then not operator prefix. It's going to be a const. Then right is going to be t. And turn void. Guess I can copy these two. Change prefix expression. This will also be prefix. Right is expression. If it's a boolean, it'll have value. Okay, perfect. And then you can coerce it to a prefix. Prefix expression. A pointer to ast dot prefix. Which will be statement dot let statement dot value dot prefix expression. Okay, then I just try test prefix. Type is going to be boolean. Prefix expression. Prefix is going to be not. And I'll do tests of I dot expected boolean. Okay. Expected boolean is equal to true. This will be false. Expected boolean bool. Okay, see if that works. I64. Where am I sending? Incompatible types. Really? Oh, okay. That's why. Yeah, because it's wrong. Right is a boolean, so it should be right dot value. Okay, there we go. Oh, sorry. Right dot boolean dot value. Let me just double check. Boolean. Yeah. Expected true, but found not true. Interesting. And this is 641. No, wrong file. Oh, sorry. Parser 336. 336. Oh, yeah. Of course. Because this should now be not a not. Okay, let's go. Test for, what is it now? Let's test for prefix and infix value. Check. Okay. That's pretty cool. Quite pleased with that one. Yep. That's done. Grouped expressions. I think I can ignore this one. Ah, interesting. What if they already have brackets? Okay, so I guess I gotta do this one. Pass grouped expression. Interesting. So you parse it all the way till you find a closing bracket. Okay. And what is the test? Uh-oh. Don't have a string method. Is that another way I can test this? I think I'll leave it to do for this one. Parser, parse program. Yeah. Parse statement. Oh no, hang on. Let's go to new. parse left grouped expression. I think I can do this when I have some sort of evaluation. Excuse me. Yeah. So I don't want to write the string method. Okay, if expressions. Okay, and if expression as an if, some bracket things. Ah, fuck. Okay, now I see why we need grouped expressions. But I have to do it. Fuck's sakes. Ooh, a consequence and an alternative. Don't know how I can test this. What is the type of grouped expression? Oh, there is none. It's just an expression. I can test expressions. Okay, it's just shift without the bracket. So this is nothing but the prefix, and the right side is an infix expression. Okay, I can test something like this for now. Maybe this one too. And these ones, I can do it in the future. Future me will figure that out. Okay, so all I've got to do is when I reach a bracket, I'm gonna call parse expression. I guess precedence. Will it be prefix? Oh no. Oh no, actually, I don't need to register. Or do I? Oh, I do, because it's a prefix expression. I don't know. No, not sure. Less than greater than minus plus slash asterisk. I guess I need for L pattern. Is it? No. Oh, small p. This will be called not sure. Better look that up. No, not here. Fix. Go where he registers the precedence identifier. Guess it's around here. But I think I'm right, because brackets do have the highest precedence. The only thing I'm confused by is this prefix. Don't know what that is. Maybe I can search precedence. Interesting. I don't think I did that. prefix precedence to parse expression. Oops. Not this one. Okay, hang on. Precedence. I think it should be somewhere here. Yeah. Prefix, 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 prefix. No. Yeah, here. Oh, there is no prefix. I know, this is just the map. I'm gone way too far. No, here. Interesting. Don't remember using this ever. Okay. Okay. I Valuation grouped expressions. So what do you use? Interesting. That's totally wrong. I'm a little bit confused, but okay. Pass prefix, pass boolean, pass grouped expressions. Parser error or an expression. Okay, so this is something like that. So this is the current token. Self dot next token. Totally ignore. And then the stuff inside is an expression. Health dot parse expression. I need, what does it need? Precedence. Which is going to be lowest. Precedence. Precedence dot lowest. Okay. And then go all the way to the end. While self dot peak. I have done something like this before. Something to do with semicolon. Yeah. Dot peak token is token dot token type dot right pattern. Yeah. Hey Algomot. I guess. Thank you for the raid. I think you're the first raid that I've had since I started streaming. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Yeah, I'm just trying to learn Zig or get better at it. Thanks again for the raid. Okay, so oh, what happened to my dashboard? It's gone tiny. Okay, whatever. Why Zig? I think no particular reason. I wanted to learn a low-level language. I've done C before, so I thought it was between Rust and Zig. Rust looked a bit too scary, so I was like, okay, I'll try Zig. That's it really. Nothing, no other reason. Just curious. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, I would say I only thought it was difficult because I went by what I've been hearing. And I think I knew one co-worker that was learning Rust. He did really like it too. Hey, that's good to know. Difficulty is overstated. Okay. I find that believable. I think quite often people just parrot what they've heard somewhere else. I should, yeah. How long have you been doing Rust for, Algamot? I guess, yeah. CS students will say everything besides Python is hard. Okay. I don't know. I mean, I was a CS student once. I never did Python in college. I think it was C and C sharp. I'd recommend reading the Rust book on their website. Okay. Yeah. I think that sounds like a good idea. 8 months of Rust. Nice. Deployed a Axum server at my job. About 80,000 lines. 80,000 lines. That's a lot of lines. Axum server. I have heard that word before. Not sure what that is. Okay, Python was your first language. Hey, hey Gunzi. It is so true. Like, well, I mean, it didn't make me a better Rust programmer. I think since I've been writing Zig, I'm understanding other programming languages much better. It's a good side effect. I think it was on this project. Cause I'm following this book. It's written in Go, and I had to ask myself like, how are interfaces implemented? And once I did it in Zig, using this like a few ways, I have like such a like clear understanding of interfaces in Go. People seem to choose one or the other, whatever you are more productive in. Yeah, but I think I would still try to do some Rust at some point. Can't hurt, can it? Zig really pushes you to level up. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think that's one of the advantages of low-level programming, I guess. Yeah. As a solo dev, I found the Rust conventions keep me more organized. So you're saying you're not very organized? Okay, I'll amend that to keeps me safer. I mean, I think as a programmer, we'll always find ways to like shoot ourselves in the foot. But yeah, I guess I've heard that about Rust. It does force you to be a lot safer. I think that's also one of the reasons I picked Zig. I like a bit of danger, like C. I don't work in non-GC languages much, so it helps. Yeah, I would say same here, because at my day job, I use Go, which I also like quite a lot. Well, I mean, and also when I hear things are like too safe, in my head I go, oh, there's gonna be like too many rules to follow. I guess I was a bit lazy, so I was like, okay, 6 sounds a bit more freer. Hang on, my chair's sinking. Okay. I am totally lost. Golang is a good one too. I considered. Hang on, I need my dashboard. What's wrong with you? Okay. Maybe I can pop this out again. Why is it so tiny? This is so weird. It used to be like full screen. That is funny. Oh, I see. How did that happen? Okay, there we go. My bad. Oh, now it's too big. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Golang is a good one too. I considered that for my server, but I saw GC latency issues in a report that Discord published when they converted to Go. Then they went to Rust to remove GC time loss. Yeah, I guess, I mean, if that is what's it called? One of the factors, definitely. But the place I work, I think we only get about like 100k requests a day max. So it's like we'll be fine for a long while. Hey, but also it seems like what's it? Was it you who said? Okay, yeah, I don't know. I think it's fair. Where was I? Guess so. I'm gonna go all the way to the end and do what? Don't know. Guess I just return expression. I'll have to check in at some other time. Go to grab dinner. Sure. Thank you for the raid, and then thank you for popping by. It was a good chat. Enjoy your dinner. Okay, go to return an expression. Okay, I'm feeling a bit lazy. Just gonna see what he did. Whoa. Ah, I see. I see what you mean. So I need a new error. What is if I do, hang on. If I miss a bracket here. Let's call it the bracket error for now. So this can be const. This will be if it's not that. Gonna return parser error dot bracket error. Sophisticated. Okay. And I think I need to register a prefix. So if you see a left add-in parse grouped expression. What's it called? Should be expression. Okay. Think I need another test. Guess I could move this here. I think a future me will write a test for that. Oh no, I can write it now. Because I can test this. Script expression parsing. True. Is that the input? Where did it go? Here. And maybe I can do another one. 1 plus 2. Okay. Okay, gonna be a bit lazy for now. Because otherwise I need a new type. Name is A, B, expected value. What should the expected value be? Not sure. Okay, you know what? I will future me. Finish this test. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna call it for today. Pretty good though. I think what else do I got to do? If expressions, functions, call expressions. Okay. So not a lot. Almost there. Oh yeah, and then update the REPL. I guess after it's on to the compiler. Nice. I'm excited for that bit. Okay. I would estimate, I think by the end of the week, should be done with this. We'll see. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah. All right. What's today? Thursday. Okay. I hope you have a good day, and I shall see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. All right. See ya. Have a good one. Bye.